To any passengers who have just joined us, welcome aboard. On your left you will see Peppergreen Farm, a community-run market garden. These gardens have been here since the 1850s and were started by the Chinese, who made up a quarter of the town's population in 1856. At the time, the Chinese saw an opportunity to supply fresh vegetables to the hungry diggers. For many years, their horse-drawn wagons, laden with fresh produce, were a familiar sight around Bendigo. It was in these gardens in 2005 that archaeologists unearthed the 19th century Chinese brickmaking kiln, a significant discovery, as it's the only known example of a Chinese brickmaking kiln outside of China. The kiln remains in the gardens to this day. It is believed the bricks of the Bendigo Joss House Temple would have been fired here. On our left, you can see a tram line branching off from what was the second tram depot, built inside the old Bendigo gasworks. This depot dates to the 1980s and houses the tramway's spare vehicles. Bendigo's gasworks are the last to remain complete in Victoria. Established in 1860, the gas was produced by roasting coal inside large horizontal ovens or retorts. Roasting coal was a filthy job, with flashes of fire, dust and a terrible smell. The gasworks closed in 1973 when natural gas was introduced to Bendigo. Ahead is the Tysons Reef precinct. If you wish to get off here, please pull the left-hand bell pull once, mind the step and use the handrail as you leave the tram. The area ahead of us near the Golden Dragon Museum used to be the centre of Bendigo's very own Chinatown. During the gold rush, thousands of Chinese walked almost 500 kilometres to Bendigo after first arriving in Rome on the South Australian coast. The ship's captains would sail to South Australia instead of Victoria to avoid paying the £10 tax levied by the Victorian government on every Chinese person arriving at a Victorian port. As they walked in single file in groups of up to 700 across unfamiliar and rough terrain, the Chinese carried twin bags or baskets of belongings on a long pole, balancing the weight with a distinctive gait. It took roughly 4 weeks to reach the diggings. Next stop, Lake Maroona. If you're getting off here, please mind the step, use the handrail and leave the tram from the left-hand side.